poppin', YouTube? My name is Natepushweights, man. Oh man, do I love Pop-Tarts. I love Pop-Tarts to the bone, bro. I love Pop-Tarts to death, man. Like, this is probably one of my favorite snacks in the world, for sure. Hands down. Now, I have a lot of favorite snacks, but there's something about Pop-Tarts that just, I don't know, it just snaps, you know? Now, I got 10 packs of Pop-Tarts right here, and actually, I'm doing I guess you could call it a review. I'm not sponsored or anything like that, but listen, I love Pop-Tarts. Now, Amazon Fresh came in clutch and pretty much sent me all of these Pop-Tarts, okay? 10 packs to be exact. Now, I want to talk to you guys about Amazon Fresh. Now, like I said again, this is not a sponsorship. This is not a promo, nothing like that. Don't even worry about that. They are quick. They are quick. I've never had a delivery service so quick just like that. They received my order and they pretty much gave me my food within 5 hours throughout the day. Now, I ordered this in the morning and it came literally within 5 hours. That's insane. Okay, 10 packs of Pop-Tarts. I was craving some Pop-Tarts. I need my Pop-Tarts. If I don't got my Pop-Tarts, it's a wrap. It's over. Now, by far my favorite flavor, as you guys can see, strawberry milkshake frosted. Oh my gosh, it is so good. It is literally that delicious. I love this Pop-Tart. Now, I used to like hot fudge sundae flavored, but I don't know. I kind of grew off of that. I don't know. What you guys think? What is your favorite Pop-Tart? Pop-Tarts are by far my favorite snack to eat. I love it. I love them. I love them to death. Especially with some milk, you know, put some milk in it. Oh my gosh, toasted. Oh my gosh. Pop-Tarts are amazing. You guys let me know in the comment section, what is your favorite Pop-Tart to eat? What is your favorite Pop-Tart to eat? Do you even like Pop-Tarts? Like, Pop-Tarts have to be probably the most underrated snack that people like usually don't really talk about. But it is a popular snack to eat. Like, there is people that love Pop-Tarts, but like, I feel as though the whole world should probably like Pop-Tarts more than they know, you know? Like, when I was a kid in grade school, I used to love Pop-Tarts so much that I thought it was like the rarest meal to have back at lunchtime, you know? Like, I thought this, if you had a Pop-Tart in your lunchbox back when you were in grade school, you were like the cool kid, you know what I mean? Like, you were automatically the cool kid, just like if you had like a fruit roll-up, you know what I mean? That's insane, you know? Till this day, I still love Pop-Tarts. I will always love Pop-Tarts. I'll never stop loving Pop-Tarts, honestly. There's just so much flavor. So I was thinking, I'm probably going to be doing a giveaway, so why don't I just give away these 10 packs of Pop-Tarts? What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section, of course. Comment below. What I want you to comment your favorite Pop-Tart in the comment section below. And subscribe to the channel if you're new, of course. Hit that like button. If we can get 10,000 likes on this video, I will do a giveaway on these Pop-Tarts. On these Pop-Tarts. So a lucky winner in the comment section, just comment your favorite Pop-Tart and I will do a giveaway on all of these Pop-Tarts and possibly some more future giveaways involving food, Pop-Tarts, whatever it is. So comment your favorite Pop-Tart in the comment section. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Like the video. Hey, turn on notifications as well. And you will be entered in the giveaway. 10K likes is the goal. Let's get it, guys. Also, be sure to follow me on Instagram. Instagram.com/Natepushweights. And that's it for the video.
What the fuck is that?
Bitch, you know you gonna lose. I got one question for you.
Where have your tits gone?
Bitch, this ain't FIFA, you can run. Oh no. But I think I'm about done.
Being nice to you.
Bruh.